Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3-tone photos at EPIK Photo Editor. So here I've already prepared a photo and I'm going to make this photo into this photo into 3 tones. First you need to open the EPIK apps and choose a photo and go to filters, and you can just choose three filters, three your favorite filters in EPIK. So in this case I'm going to use no okay I'm going to use the first I'm going to use this one and then save it, and then click on edit other photos and choose the same photos but use different filters. I'm going to use this one's right here and then save again. Click on edit other photo and choose the same photos, and then choose the last filters that you want. I'm going to use this one. Click on save again, and then go to layout and then choose the photo that you edit before. Click on next and choose the 3 layout like this and adjust the ratio. I'm going to go with 3:4, and then you can just adjust. I'm going to change the ratio first. Maybe this one's right here, story, and then adjust it until it looks like like so, and then this one's right this so it'll go like this. It has 3 tones, and yeah, I think that's all. That's the tutorial on how you can make 3-tone photos by using EPIK Photo Editor. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Bye.